Last fall, we asked our competition to pick the best personal computer based on price and memory. The Apple II preferred the Commodore 64. They stopped making the Apple II. The IBM personal computer picked the Commodore 64. They stopped making that computer. Now they both introduced a computer with the same memory as the Commodore 64 for about $700 more. That's what we like about our competition. They keep trying. Commodore, in more homes than any other home computer.
Making music on your Commodore 64. You don't have to be a musician to make music on your Commodore 64. All you need to know are a few simple numbers which tell your computer how loud to set the volume, which notes to play, how long to play them, etc. But first, here's a program which gives you a quick demonstration of the Commodore 64's incredible music capabilities, using only one of your computer's 3 separate voices. Type the word new and hit to erase your previous program, then enter this program, type the word run and hit the key.
Error detected.
Almost made it. Cool.
To change the sound to a harpsichord, change line 85 to read poke 54276, 33, and line 90 to read fort equals 1T0250 and next, poke 54276, 32, and run the program again. To change the line, hit the to stop the program, type the word list and hit run/stop key, then retype the program line you want to change. The the new line will automatically replace the old one. What we did here is change the waveform from a triangular-shaped sound wave to a sawtooth wave. Changing the waveform can drastically change the sound produced by the Commodore 64, but the waveform is only one of several settings you can change to make different musical tones and sound effects. You can also change the attack/decay rate of each note. For example, to change from a harpsichord sound to a more banjo sound, try Chang ing lines 20 and 30 to read. 20 poke 54277, 330 poke 542780 sets no sustain for banjo effect.
I forgot to do the harpsichord sound. So we'll load it up now. It didn't sound any different.